What's good, everybody? So most people know me from reselling sneakers, but now I have finally got the time to fully invest and fully focus on starting my clothing brand journey. And I just wanted to tell other people that right now is honestly the best time to start a clothing brand. And I know a lot of people might be thinking, bro, it's oversaturated, everybody's doing it. But the thing is, honestly, that's one of the main reasons why it's the best time to do it, because I'll put it like this. Back in my day, now I sound like ucking them, but when I was in high school, bro, it was a flex. And you had to have the Supreme, you had to have the Bape. If you came to school with a Gucci shirt, if you came to with an OVO shirt, a Louis shirt, bro, you were that guy. But now we have escalated to the point where, honestly, bro, if you pulling up to the function with a Gucci shirt with just a fat double G across your chest, bro, you look lame, you look corny, bro. A lot of these people are just, and it's sad to say, but it's honestly the reality of life. A lot of these people are sheep, and they're just following whatever the trend is, whatever they see on TikTok. That's what they're doing. That's why TikTok pays a lot of these content creators so much money to promote these products, to wear their brand, because once these people see their favorite influencer, their favorite content creator in this shirt or this style of how they're dressing, they're gonna want to do that too, because this is gonna make them think that that's the norm. That's what's gonna get them the same attention, the same platform as their favorite creator. You're throwing out names. If Duke Dennis wore this, oh, Duke Dennis is fire, I gotta wear it. I'm gonna put my fit on just like Duke Dennis. And you might be thinking, oh, that's glaze or this and that, but in actual reality, that's what it is. That's why a lot of people say TikTok brands, TikTok clothing brands. But as long as you separate yourself from these TikTok brands, and I'll actually make a separate video on that. So if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe, comment, just to stay tuned in, right? But as long as you make it different, bro, you can succeed, because right now, majority of the clothes, even when you go out in public, a lot of people aren't wearing quote unquote name brands. They're wearing the brands that are being created by other people, by local artists, by entrepreneurs. How many times have you seen a girl out and they have a shirt that says your favorite ex, just in black bold letters? That's it. That's the whole shirt. I've seen a bunch of women wearing shirts like that. There's other shirts too, like, I don't even know, like I hate men or something like that, or I'm his prettiest problem. There's so many girls that wear that. That is literally just a random IG quote and just plain black bold lettering across a tank top, a shirt, whatever the case may be. And a lot of people are rocking it, and they pay minimum $30 for that shirt. So what's the reason for you not to be able to make a shirt? There's a bunch of brands going on right now where it's just like a random quote with big black bold lettering just going across, and it's just the style of the shirt that's making it popular. But it has the common saying, I'm not even gonna try and think of, just like or like trend where it's just a lot of just is like motion, we get motion or something like that. Literally just the most basic caption you can think of, put it on a shirt and it sells. I see it on TikTok all the time. I'm on TikTok hours of the day and that's all I see. So what is the excuse for you not to at least try to put something out there? If you can get at least just one viral video, and there's so many ways of going viral. Now, I'm not saying that you're gonna get a hit like that. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm the guy that's gonna keep it transparent with you. I'm not gonna say you're gonna get a viral video off rip and your clothing brand's gonna succeed to the charge. If you want me to hear that, bro, go watch one of these other videos, bro, where they're gonna tell you exactly that, and you're gonna spend all this money on a course and things like that. I'm giving out free game from experience, from everything that I observed, bro, and I plan on using that and utilizing it in my own clothing brand, and hopefully I get to the point where I become quote unquote a successful guru, and I can be able to have that point of position and power to where people will actually listen. I don't know how many people are going to tune into this, but this is the real, this is what I've experienced, and I feel like a lot of people don't really show that, man. So it's the perfect time. All you need is one viral video. That's all. And the amount of videos that go viral nowadays, especially on TikTok, I wouldn't say that it's easy, but it's definitely easier than what it's ever been before, man. I've had a video on TikTok go viral, and it was literally just a pair of shoes falling into the gutter, bro, and it got like 200K views, bro. Insane, just randomly, bro. I wasn't even, I don't even think I planned on posting it, but something like that, man. There's so many templates out there. You put it on a clothing brand, there's so many methods, there's so many ways to do it, bro. If you just keep at it, just consistently doing it, one follower, one purchase, 10 is gonna turn to 100, bro. Right now is the perfect time to have a clothing brand, and you just gotta put it out there, bro. That's what I plan on doing. As you can see, if you've tapped into any of my other videos in general, all of the clothes that or all of the tops that I wear are my brand. So at least one person is gonna see it, and it works. I've had people comment, what's the ID on your shirt? Where did you get that jacket from? And now I'm waiting to get this monetization so I can just put it directly on my channel so people can support it. And I have a handful of ideas that I'm gonna incorporate. I'm gonna actually put, because like I said, I'm not afraid to put my ideas out there, because I don't know how many people are gonna tune in. If nobody tunes in, it is what it is. I get to use my, my method for myself, see how good it plans out. And if people do see it, boom, I got a viral video, and that's what I wanted. And people are gonna support it now that it's viral. They're gonna see all those views, they're gonna be like, oh, he must be talking the right thing to do. So it's a win-win either way, bro. So I'm gonna put it out on a video, man. But I just wanted people to know that this is the right time to do it, bro. Whatever design you got, just make sure it's original. Make sure something a part of the business, some part of the blueprint has to be different. Even if you want to go the copy and paste route, just make sure there's something about it. Maybe it's your delivery, maybe it's your font, the story behind it. As long as one aspect of it is different, bro, you still have a chance to blow up. You still have a chance to sell that product, bro. Even if you come from nothing, no money, no resources. I'm not saying that I'm in that position now to where I have just no money, no resources, but I'm still starting from the bottom to where I have established clientele with sneakers, but established clientele with my clothing, it's kind of shaky if I'm gonna keep it a buck. So I'm just making these videos honestly to not only give advice, but to like mentally brainstorm at the same time. You just speak it into existence, get it out there, and see how it really sounds. And honestly, it sounds good. I'm confident. I really think about it all the time, and I've been blowing it off. I made a previous video of where I talk about what held me back from making a clothing brand, if y'all want to check that out too. But now I feel like I'm just in a stage where I'm procrastinating. I'm kind of feeling I guess scared. Dang, like, what if I invest all this time and it doesn't work out? But it's like, bro, I see it all the time. It is no reason why it doesn't work out for me, especially with the ideas that I have lined up. I think I swear to God, on everything I love, I think I have $1 million idea. And if I just execute it right, I think I'll be so successful with it, bro. And I feel like somebody else just needed to hear that too, that they might have $1 million idea of themselves, and they just they don't have enough courage to put it out there. If you spot it on this video, bro, it's for you. Start. We can start together, bro. We can go in the comment section together, bro. You can get my information on Instagram, bro, and we can collab. We can think this and that. Some people don't even have that, bro. I want this overall to be a timeline of my success, a timeline of my journey, advice to other, inspiration to other, and honestly form like a community, bro, where you get that courage, you get that helping hand. There were so many times when I started my sneaker business where I just needed a helping hand, bro, and I had to do everything by myself. Luckily, I persevered through it, and it paid off, but it's just so hard doing it all by yourself, bro. So, like I said, if you see this video, man, we can do it. I believe in you. I believe in me. I believe in us, bro. So let's start this clothing brand, bro. And the next videos I got coming up, I plan on doing some unboxings of my clothing brand. So you guys, because every shirt, every jacket that I wear in my videos, they have a story behind it. And I feel like that's what's gonna separate my brands from these other brands, which I'll discuss in more videos, man. But let me know if you like this style of video. Let me know if this was good advice, was this inspirational, if you're ready to see those next type of videos, man. Or if you're just curious about the brand, bro. This jacket's my brand. The shirts that you see in all my videos are my brand. So if you're even curious about that, bro, I have shirts already made, bro. Like I said, bro, I've been through the trials and tribulations. I have stuff that I didn't sell yet. just because I'm holding myself back. That's honestly what it is. I'm holding myself back. You holding yourself back by just not putting out there, by not promoting, by not selling it, bro. So let's do it. That's all I gotta say. Let's do it. So with that being said, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.